Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common problem with Linksys routers, that annoying red light issue, especially if you're using one in 2025. Don't panic. It's often an easy fix that can get you back online in no time. First off, let's break down what this red light usually means. On most Linksys devices, a red light signals something's wrong, like a connection problem, hardware glitch, or even overheating. It's your router's way of saying, hey, I need some attention. So, grab your router and let's troubleshoot step by step. Start with the basics. Check all your cables. Make sure the power cord, Ethernet cables, and any other connections are securely plugged in. A loose cable is a frequent culprit and can be fixed in seconds. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple reboot often clears temporary errors and resets the system. Next, head over to the Linksys website or app to check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause all sorts of issues, including that pesky red light. Download and install any available updates. It might take a few minutes, but it's worth it. If you're still seeing red, consider a factory reset. Warning: this will erase your custom settings, so only do this as a last resort. Use the reset button on your router and follow the on-screen prompts to set it up again. Finally, if nothing works, reach out to Linksys customer support or your internet service provider for more help. They can diagnose deeper problems. There you have it. By following these steps, you should banish that red light and get your network running smoothly. Tech troubles happen to the best of us, so stay patient and methodical. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.